Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for crypto related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're going to be talking about where will crypto go. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on Discord. Link is in the description. Links also, no, sorry, it's not in the description. It's going to go out right now. Yo, thank you for being here. Andrew, Jason, everyone that's here, man. Sorry, I had to restart the stream. For some reason, it wasn't working. I am starting with a very, very short list. Like I said, I have visitors. So I'm going to run a very, very short stream. No more than half an hour, right? So we're going to see how we are by the time we finish the current queue. On that note, let's move over here to the main screen and see what's happening with crypto, man. What are we doing? Are we starting a new week? Yes. Are we red? Very likely. Let's go to market cap and figure out what's going on there. On the daily, had that bullish divergence, strong fraction to upside. We did pump, failing, going back down, and again, we're forming this potential double bottom, right? Potential double bottom, right? That we have with Bitcoin and the other cryptos out there. Now, we don't know right now whether or not we're going to go up or down. There's a lot of indecision. That's what we've been saying for the last couple of days, right? There's a lot of indecision. So on the daily, there's really nothing here. Yesterday we gained, right? 3.91%, approximately $57.12 billion. Right now going down 2.76%, approximately $42.20 billion. Sitting sold at 38.29. Where's Bitcoin dominance at? 44.03. It lost dominance yesterday, so it went up in value, 0.82% today. It's going up 0.17, which means it's going down in value. Bitcoin going up. Going down 2.62%. Where is the futures at? Bitcoin futures, right? What's the news with XRP? Lots of volume came in. I think people are going bullish on something with the SEC. Eric, I think that's what's happening. Anyways, drop, pop, drop, right? Did we leave any gaps here? May 28th, June the 1st. All right, so market already opening. It looks like we opened right where we left off about, and now we're still continuing down. So no gaps here for the movement, right? Yo, guys, I'm really tight for time right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to go through a lot of the coins, right? I'm going to write them down. Right, I only have like half an hour. So 27 minutes. Right, I do have visitors. They're only here for tonight. They leave tomorrow morning really early. So I kind of want to catch up with them. It's a cousin of mine that I haven't seen in a while, so we'll see, right? Again, I did say that yesterday. Today's stream was going to be very, very short. Anyways, we have a potential double bottom Bitcoin, right? 1, 2, potential, because we have not confirmed. We have not gone above this line. We did go up, hit that 35,733. We did try to go above it, but we failed to close above it. And now we're facing as resistance. We're pulling back down. So where can we go on Bitcoin, right? We could be coming down here. Let me get a log scale. Could be coming down here to 33,309. We're going to see what happens when we get there, right? Jake, thanks for being here, man. Thanks, Deacon. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for being here, man. Anyways, potential fraction upside on this divergence, right? With potential double bottom. Now, we did move up yesterday. Are we done with the divergence? I hope not, man. Could we still come lower here, right? Come lower here. Oh, it's not letting me move it. Here we go. And then we could go there and still have divergence? Yes, very likely. We still have bullish divergence strong. Is that what I want to see? No, I really wish Bitcoin get this double bottom to play out and starts to pump, man. But again, we're seeing a lot of weakness. Sold at 33.15. So again, there's a possibility for the bullishness with the double bottom. We have the bullish divergence, but it failing to play out does not really speak very good of the market. It could mean that Bitcoin is not strong enough to have the bullish indicators to play out, meaning Bitcoin is mainly bearish, or the sentiment around Bitcoin overall is bearish. And we don't want that. We want to get rid of that. And we're going to shake off that drop, right? Like, shake it off, get back on the bike, and ride again to better areas of value. That's it. Let's go here to the 4-hour. Jake, please stop spamming, man. Jake McEnvy, whatever, man. That's fine that he got an exchange, man. That's awesome. Anyways, we had this head and shoulders. We moved down. We created this bullish divergence, broke this line. We're going short-term bullish. And right now, this candle, right, already opening and then dropping 2.99% on the day. Here we go. Start the Monday with a red candle, right? It's not the end of the world. High to low, positive to less positive, and high to low. We are neutral at 41.41. We are looking for something to happen here so we can get some action to the upside. Now, could we go for an inverse head and shoulders? Very likely, right? This could be a shoulder. This could be a head. We could start to form that other shoulder. Try to reverse. That would be very nice. Just see this happening, right? Anyways, I'm going to keep on checking this out. I'm not going to be taking requests tonight, guys. Not tonight. I don't have a lot of time tonight. I usually take on requests. I don't mind taking as many requests as possible. But I do have other commitments tonight, and I talked about that yesterday. And I said tonight's going to be a very short stream. Very short stream. That's why it's important that you guys pre-queue up the coins on the Discord, right? If you pre-queue on the Discord, then I'll do whatever's on the queue prior to the stream starting. But if I have days like this when I don't have a lot of time to go through the market, at least if your coin's queued up there, I'll do it. If it's not, I'll just have to run. Elon, thank you for being here, man. Anyways. Broke this line, short-term bullish. Nothing else here. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Neutral at 41.37. There's nothing bullish right now. We have this strong bullish divergence. And if we fail to drop lower than this previous low, we could still be looking for that continuation and potential fraction to the upside. Where we're at right now, where we're at with the momentum, we could probably drop lower than this low still. Somewhere around here, 33,800s. And still be making less negative momentum. And still create strong bullish divergence by going from a low point to a lower point. And negative momentum to less negative momentum, and with that we should be looking for action to the upside still. But again, bullish divergence not really being playing strong for the Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We have bullish divergence, medium, right? Going sideways on the price, coming back in, action to the upside, taking that pop, high to low, low to high, right? So we did get the action to the upside that we were expecting to see last night. We were somewhere around here, 9 p.m. So we did pop, we created some hidden bearish divergence afterwards, and that is putting some pressure on that price. And that pressure is making the price go down a bit, right? So no surprises with Bitcoin. We tried to rally, off the air, we created this divergence, it's playing us down. Again, we know that bearish divergence, even hidden one, has been playing a lot stronger, or a lot more often, than just the price of Bitcoin in general, right? So again, it has been putting a lot of that pressure, so the bullish indicators have not been performing. So every time we see even hidden bearish divergence, we see those movements down. And that's not good. That means the market is feeling bearish. Low to high. Where are we at here? 113, 136. All right, so we do have some hidden divergence. That's what I'm looking for, right? Low to high. This would be anchoring from way back here. I don't want to be skipping over data, right? So I want to try to keep it as clean as I can in the chart. But we're looking at a move from here to here, right? Negative, more negative, right? We don't have this move against the RSI. We're sold at 38.27, hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, maybe stagnation. And that could start to get us to where we stall here on the 4-hour. Maybe try to reverse and start looking for these head and shoulders to play out, right? That neckline would be going from here to here, right? So the neckline for that head and shoulders would be here. Right, that's what we're looking at right now. Doesn't matter. Yo, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Again, I'm just going to be here for a very, very small amount of time right now. Just came in, tucked shop real quick, tuck the market, and then I'm going to take off. Yes, Crypto Man, I can see that. Right, so that's it for Bitcoin, right? We're seeing a lot of indecision still. The bullishness is not really playing us up with strength. So I'm a little bit worried about it. Let's go to Ethereum. 2,296. What's happening on the daily? We didn't have anything, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Neutral at 41.05. With that, there's nothingness. We're just neutral. On the 4 hour, hidden bullish. Try to pop, sideways motion. So we're moving up, and then we're still not dropping lower than the previous low. So we are consolidating. We could say sideways still. Low, higher low, negative, less negative, and low to high. Neutral at 41.28. Nothing else happening here. High to low, positive to negative, and high to low. Nothing here that is bearish. Let's go to that 1 hour chart. YouTube has been deleting your comments. That sucks. Redline Venom, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Remember, tonight's stream, super short, guys. Right? I'm just going to move. I think we have 6 coins on queue. So you can take advantage of the Discord, right? Take advantage of the pre-stream requests. That allows you to queue up coins before the stream starts, and it saves you time. And when I have short streams like this one, your coin's already going to be on the list, so there's no way I'm going to be skipping it. Because right now I'm not going to be taking any requests here on the live for today. I'm sorry, guys, really. Low, lower, negative, positive, more positive, and a low point to a higher point. Hidden bearish divergence, actually down, something to move down with that. Low to high, negative to positive, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. We're continuing on this bullish divergence. Right, and we're going low to high here and created some strong bearish. All right, we got some continuation. Some continuation of the bullishness. Spend time with your cousin. Yes, that is correct. That's why it's a super short stream. Again, strong bearish divergence, action downside, low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. So there's nothing bullish right now. Sold at 38.80. I mean, I think Ethereum's going to try to follow Bitcoin. It was recovering so much better yesterday than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was up like 3%. Ethereum was up 8%. It just sucks that it's tanking again because Ethereum did manage to gain 4.8% when Bitcoin only gained 3 point something. So it was performing so much better than Bitcoin, and then it's just so sad to see it underperform right now. Let's go here on the Binance. Binance, right? We didn't have anything here. Low. Lower, negative, more negative, right? High, low. There's nothing here that is bearish. We are sold at 37.96. Let's go on that 4 hour chart. Hidden bullish divergence, fraction to upside. We did pop, high to low, positive, less positive, high to low. There's nothing bearish. Low to high, negative, less negative momentum, and low to high. There's nothing bullish, right? We still have continuation of this hidden bullish. Now what we're getting is just consolidation here, all right? Consolidation looking like this, a little bit like this, right? For now, I'm not gonna go with triangle formation. I'm gonna go with something like this. Looks a little bit like a falling wedge of sorts that we're starting to create here on Binance. Let's go to that 1 hour chart, man. ADA took all of Ethereum gains. It did. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, I did see them pumping. I did see some movements happening there. It's pretty cool. Anyways, we had this hidden bearish divergence fraction. Downside move down. Tried to take a pop, failed, and drop lower still. Low to high, negative to less negative, and low to high. Sold at 38.17. Not a lot happening here, right? Not a lot happening here. Again, just same thing that we're seeing with Bitcoin. A lot of indecision, not really strong movements. That's it for Binance. I mean, I really wish there was something else better for the market. Get used to that. Yo, Andrew. We'll see, man. I hope that's not the case. I do hold a lot more Ethereum than I do ADA, man. ADA. I should call it ADA. A low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish again. Trying to hold on support at $164.78 for Litecoin. 4 hour chart. Again, hidden bullish. Action at upside. Try to pop. We have this resistance line here, sort of, that we could say we're kind of rejecting or failing to get above. Not the strongest resistance, but we are going from high to low, positive to negative, and high to low. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Neutral at 41.95. There's not a lot happening here. Unfortunately for Litecoin, that's about it. Neutral at 42.12. I really wish it was more exciting. It's not an exciting day for the market. High to low, right? Again, hidden bearish divergence. That's what we're going to be creating. It seems to be across the charts, right? All the charts have this. Just like yesterday, most of the charts have this bullish divergence, and we saw that pop. Right, look at this 9 p.m. We saw everyone rally, and guess what happened today? It was going down. Even crypto Twitter was so bullish, man. A lot of people are just hyping out stuff that makes no sense. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high. Sold at 36.02. I really wish it wasn't the case, though. I'm not sure why a lot of people are hyping stuff that makes no sense to hype. So about that. Again, to bring the keyboard back on. Let's go to RSR. RSR is just struggling. I'm really, I'm going to skip over RSR, and I'm going to go Theta. And after Theta, I'm going to do ADA real quick, just out of curiosity, and that's it. Theta. On the daily, you need to get rid of this fibs, right? They no longer make any sense. All these fibs make no longer sense. Now we gotta look for the major move for ADA so we can fib this and get some retracement. So I'm gonna consider it to be somewhere around here, the low point, right? So somewhere around there, and then somewhere around here, the high point. I just want to get a ballpark area to where we're at. We're over that 618, trying to find support and trying to bounce, right? Failing to hold prices above that 50% retrace, coming back down. Low, lower, negative, less negative. There was some strong bullish divergence. It's not really pumping with a lot of strength, right? And that doesn't really speak volumes for this. It just means the market is feeling weak. Market is feeling weak. The bullish is not playing, right? We're not seeing that massive pump. High to low, positive to negative, and high to low. Neutral, sold at 38.76. So really not a lot happening here. I really wish we had something better going on here. Leonel, thank you for being here, man. Again, super short stream today. Thank you for joining. About to be off here in after ADA, which is after Theta. All right, again, super short stream. I'll just recap Bitcoin and then I'll be off. Low to high. Negative momentum, two more negative momentum, right? Hidden bullish, trying to go up, sideways motion. That's what we're getting. Some kind of consolidation, but it's really not very strong right now. It's neutral at 41.45. Like I said, we could still come back down. Let's do the 1 hour chart. First, things from the 4 hour came over. So let's send that back. Look at that, man. What a mess. Just when you don't anchor once, everything becomes very messy, right? There we go. Right on. So we're going from a high point to a low point to a high point. Ignore this lines here. They're also from the 4 hour. I'm just going to get rid of them real quick again. They're going to be making the chart very messy if I don't move them, and it just makes it harder for us to call and see what we're doing here. All right. High to low. And low. Those are fibs. I didn't want to use that. Low to high, right? Hidden bearish divergence. Potential action and downside, maybe sideways motion. That's precisely what we're getting. That action downside, sideways motion. Just like Bitcoin and the rest, man. We're not really finding a lot. Here we had some bullish divergence, and that is about it. First to fire, back again. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for being back again. Dude, like I said, today, short stream. All right, neutral. Sorry, sold at 35.91. That is for Theta. Not really a lot happening here. Well, let's finish with ADA and go back to Bitcoin, right? ADA, man, ADA, right? hidden divergence section to the upside. We hadn't created anything bearish. Doing okay. Yesterday pumped 12%, which is beautiful for ADA, man. Today starting to go down 2.25. Low to high. Negative, less, negative, and low to high. There's really nothing bearish or bullish happening here on ADA. On the 4 hour, high to low, and a high to low. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish divergence. We were rallying on that very nicely. So have not come back down strong here. Neutral at 48.39. Saludos. Yeah. Right, so the 1 hour chart, we had this bullish divergence, broke this line last night, right? And remember what happens when we break this blue lines? We go short-term bullish. We went short-term bullish, low to high, positive, more positive, and high to a higher high. Even this move, it's just good for this. It's creating a hidden divergence right now. I didn't bring the 20 moving average a lot or at all throughout the chart today. I should do reference it to see where we're at. For some reason, I hit it and forgot to bring it back out, which is fine. Again, that's it. Hidden bullish divergence. Potential for action upside or stagnation. We might be going for that 20 moving average at $1.61. That could be the move for ADA. That being said, neutral at 44.24. Price of ADA at $1.54. Not too bad. Let's go back to the corn, and I'm gonna wrap up with that. It was shorter than 30 minutes, but again, I did struggle a little bit to get the stream going. I started a stream, it failed because of some audio issues I was having. Had to go back out, reboot the computer, come back in. Anyways, very quick for the corn, right? We had the bullish divergence, we pumped, created that hidden bearish divergence, moving us back down, and now we're creating some hidden bullish, right? And we're hoping that this hidden bullish helps us stagnate, maybe try to reclaim, maybe hit that 20 moving average, 35,707. On the 4 hour, we don't have a lot going on here. Potential inverse head and shoulders that we're starting to build. That's about it. We are neutral at 42.07, and on the daily, like we said, we still have this potential double bottom forming, which we don't know if it's going to trigger yet. For that to trigger, we need to come up and hit this confirmation line and then still go about 4% higher from confirmation point, right? If we don't do that, then this potential double bottom is not going to trigger. And again, potential, because it's not there yet, right? We haven't confirmed it. Once we confirm it, it is a double bottom, and then it could become a failed double bottom. But right now, it's just a potential double bottom, right? Anyways, guys, that is it. Again, there's a lot of indecision in the market. Be careful with your positions. The bullishness is really not playing out up with a lot of strength. That's all I'm seeing here. Still a lot of indecision, right? A lot of indecision continuing here, and that is not good for the market. It would be better if we had very, very clear indicators as to where the market's going to go. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links are going out. Guys, talk about crypto to your friends, to your families, and to your co-workers. Let them know that we are here. If you like the content, please help us spread the word. We do have awesome content here. I believe we have awesome content here. And we have an awesome community being built, thanks to you guys. All the information that we provide here is for entertainment and education purposes only. What else? Don't trust on what you see here. We're not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. We're just discussing ideas. With that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for a normal edition instead of crypto, guys. Until then.